on the 27th of September 2025, the world's attention turns to Malacca, Malaysia, host city of this year's World Tourism Day, under the theme of tourism and sustainable transformation.
Malacca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provides the perfect stage for this global event, where history, culture, and innovation converge.
In conjunction with Malaysia proudly hosts the 7th World Tourism Conference, bringing together leaders, policymakers and innovators to chart the course towards a more responsible, sustainable and resilient future for tourism.
Visit Malaysia 2026 launched as a strategic initiative under the Madani government to drive the nation's unique identity and sustainable economic growth.
All states are urged to strengthen their tourism capabilities in conjunction with Visit Malaysia 2026, while every ministry focus on enhancing Malaysia's capacity in tourism.
Explore the captivating streets of Malacca, where centuries-old heritage blends seamlessly with vibrant street life. Wander through historic landmarks, indulge in unique culinary delights, and create memories that last a lifetime.
From the heart of Malacca, a hero rises in the night sky. 𝐾𝐫 de Malacca, son of this land, who sailed with Magellan and courage, who helped shape the first circumnavigation of the globe. Once a forgotten name in history, his legacy shines again today. The Visit Malacca year has been extended until 2026 in line with the state's selection as host for World Tourism Day 2025 and the World Tourism Conference 2025.
Malacca is ready to welcome the world with history, culture, and experiences like no other.
And the beloved slogan that has long echoed in our hearts will continue to shine.
Mana lagi? Experiences.
Malaysia offers a rich tapestry of tourism segments, culture with vibrant festivals, living traditions and UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
Malaysia is more than a destination, it is an experience waiting to be lived and discovered.
As the night sky lights up, we invite you on a journey through the heart and soul of Malaysia, a land where culture, heritage and flavor come together in perfect harmony.
Food is not just a meal in Malaysia, it is a heritage, identity and our way of bringing people together. From nasi lemak, satay and roti canai to laksa, rendang and 𝐾𝐫𝐨𝐧𝐞𝐬, these iconic dishes tell stories of tradition, unity and diversity.
And now high above the sky, a symbol of grace and tradition takes flight, the WOW, Malaysia's iconic kite. For centuries, the WOW has been more than just a pastime. It is an art form, a reflection of creativity and a cultural heritage passed from one generation to the next. The WOW is more than a kite, it is Malaysia's spirit in motion.